Hey guys, and welcome back to this video. So now in this particular video we are going to look out the screen component. Okay, how exactly we can create a reusable component out there, and how we can use it at multiple times. All right, let's get started. Okay, now here what exactly we are going to do is that we know that the text is centered because of align items and justify content. If I just remove it, our text is going onto the 0 0 position, which is upper side of the status bar, and we want that into the this section, right, into the shapes area. So what we're gonna do here, we are creating a component, and inside the component I will just create a screens.js. Okay, you can create a folder and then you can just put the screen.js inside the folder. It's also fine. In this I'm going to just show you that how exactly the things are going to be happening and how we can use a reusable component, and that's why I'm just using it directly for components. Okay, but you can just definitely use definitely create another folder for the screen.js so that you can understand all the things. Okay, now I just first import the React and then yeah, definitely SFC, and here I will put screen. Okay, now inside the screen what I'm going to do, I'm just returning the view, and yeah, inside the view I'm gonna style it. Oh sorry, I'm gonna style it with we have to create a styles. Okay, R and NS, and then we will just import a style sheet from React Native. We need to also import a view there. So this is our view. So it's not importing like that, so I just use a different kind of concept. Okay, here we can just pass a container as well. It's also fine. Okay, now inside a container and inside a view, we know that what exactly the problem is, but we have another component which is safe area view, and yeah, of course it's a safe area view, and it works with only iOS. Let me show you. Let's go with styles dot container. Okay, and I will just put all the things which are here, copy then paste it here, and yes, of course I will put a text out there, copy this text and put it here. All right, I will just put it out here, save this, and whether it's calling for view, I want to call directly a screen there, right? All right, I guess so. We haven't imported yet, and that's fine. Save it. Okay, you can see the similar output is going to be here. Okay, I guess it's refreshing. Okay, we need to import text as well. Don't worry, we can import it. Text, save it. Okay, it's also working with a similar. Safe area view is only work with iOS devices. Okay, if you have iOS device, you can just check that out. All right, but if you have an Android device, what we're gonna do here, we can use a platform there. Let's say margin top, or you can put a padding top. It's also fine. Padding top, and yeah, padding top 20. If I just save it there, you can see Hello React Native is skipping the status bar, and now we are on the safe side in Android. Safe area view is also a good, but what if we add a padding top for Android as well as iOS? Safe area views, we know that it is for the iOS and it will safely add our text into the safe area, but it's also going to be applied a padding top there, right? So to solve this problem, we want to apply the 20 only for the Android. So how we can solve the particular problem is that platform, which is on React Native OS, double is equals to Android, and if it is, then we are returning the 20. Otherwise we don't want to return anything. That's the whole goal about it. But there are some of more problems too. We can solve it with other approaches too, but I use personally this approach to solve a particular problem. And personally I create on this screen component, when I'm just learning the React Native, I personally like it, and I hope that you also like it. This is a good approach to understand things. But now you maybe think like, hey, what if the screen is there and inside we text it, but how we can use another component there? Okay, similarly like that, if I just put app into there and I wanna put another page inside the screen, because yes, we want that, we are want to use screen at a multiple times, and yeah, so we want the screen at a multiple times, and we want to pass something here. Like if we create some page there, and let's create a page there. So I am creating page, and here let's say yeah, first.js imr okay, and then rsf is also fine. Yeah, that's maybe correct, and then we will put view there from React Native, and also here is a view, and we wanna pass a text there. Okay, so let's see the text. Hello React Native. Save it. Okay, you don't have to worry too much about it, just pass imported text there. Okay, all right, this is a view and this is a text, and I want to apply a style for it. So going to be style, and here will be like flex one, align items into the center, justify content into the center, like that. And if you wanted to pass a background color too, then you can also pass it here. Okay, now I hope that it is correct, right? It is correct. Now let us go to the app.js, and I want to pass it here. I want to just use this page inside the screen so that I can skip this status bar. So how are we gonna do it? So for that, you just need to go onto the screen, remove this text, and accept the children. So children. Okay, now spelling is a really important thing for you. Children. Okay, save it. Go back here. Yeah, there is a screen, I think. Unexpected token, I think it's okay, got it. It's like this, right? I hope now it's correct. Okay, but the screen doesn't have anything, and we need to pass a children there. So let's pass our first children, save it. Okay, wait for some time. Oh, we can see hello React Native is onto the center. So we can pass a first inside this thing, but if we don't apply any styles, like yeah, if we just remove this, save it, it is also onto the safe area. Okay, and we can use this screen at a multiple times as like a reusable component, right? I hope you got the idea and how we can just set it out. I will try to make sure you understand all the things which related to this and reusable components inside a React.js or a React Native. We are understand mainly focus is on a reusable components so that you can understand all in the better way. I hope you got the idea, right? If you don't have any idea yet, you need to watch some previous videos that where I'm talking about some basic concept about React Native, and once you deal with those, you can just continue with it. Okay, I hope you like it, and show some love with put it onto the subscribe button onto my channel. If you are watching onto my if you're watching this video on another platform, just go on YouTube and search for Sanket Sabale Codemock, and you can just subscribe to my channel and you can support me. All right, okay, let's catch up in the next one. Let's see in the next.